calibrator will keep turning on, which isn't good because it means the robot won't run well.
Testing the autonomous on the robot because last night we were having problems with it.
We've been able to take the robot out on the field and test.
Things don't always work the way you expect.
We're a little behind the 8 ball now.
It wasn't as reliable as it could have been. Actually working through the calculations, working through experimentation, recording the results, that would have really put us ahead.
Did our best.
It just has to work. Now, if I shoot the ball, the arms are supposed to get out of the way. Instead, this is what happens.
I'm always optimistic.
Great.
You know.
I'm optimistic. I mean, we have a student-built robot, student design and built robot.
I think we did quite well.
I think we can really improve.
I think that there's a lot of lessons that we've learned over the course of a season that we need to actually apply rather than write them down and forget about them the next year.
Part of the global priority for Denso is to be a leader in local communities where we do business and where we're involved in.
We've definitely been there for the first team and have been very supportive with offering our facility.
Ison, a corporation, opens their boardroom to us and we go there and we have a think tank. We begin. We order parts, we get things in that we need, we decide on the drivetrain, we decide on what kind of wheels. You know how you'll see those clowns that have all the dishes spinning on the sticks?
My parents got me a little robot and whatnot, you know, from Radio Shack. It was great. We need to keep kids involved and interested in this, and that's what's really, you know, from our standpoint, it's kind of like an investment in the future.
Outlet for that sort of technical passion or inquisitiveness.
The real life application of it is just not available in a classroom.
They're really taking all those tools from science and math and applying it.
And this is a great way to be able to teach the kids what the real world looks like, what 6-week deadline looks like.
Kind of like a concept car process, you know, the imagery's right there, and then the mechanical design. How do we design this within the confines?
A time limit, you know, an overall goal that they have to get to with a specific challenge, limited resources.
We really think that hands-on experience prepares them better for the workforce.
Working between groups and learning how to get everybody's ideas out there and get everybody collaborating, that's ideal in every single environment out there.
Because they know a lot more than they think they know. You really don't learn a subject until you're able to teach it. More experienced students to come in and help them learn.
Interpersonal skills and teamwork skills.
What we do is we all work on separate parts of code and we individually put each little part together, and then all the parts come together to form a cohesive whole, sort of.
Let's learn what other people are doing. Let's learn from the electrical. Let's learn from mechanical.
In the real world, you have to work alongside people who, A, don't know much about your own field, and B, have their own knowledge that you probably aren't aware of yourself.
That is one of our goals, is to have collaborative team members.
Together you can accomplish greater things than any individual of the team could possibly dream of.
Booming and booming and booming, and we've started a farm team down at Holmes, so we've got 46 little RoboHawks that are going to be flying up. They need to do, you know, 8 to 10 hours of community service. They need to do volunteer.
About the kids, and it's about them learning how to be like engineers or whatever they want to be.
First Robotics in Livonia Public Schools is all about positioning kids for success.
Get them in a direction that's going to be helpful to society as a whole.
These kids are our future.
Trying to then bring a whole bunch of different people together, using your tools, using technology, and coming up with a viable solution within that given time frame, that's the whole essence of FIRST.